Hey, man of the Mayhem here, and today we are going to be unboxing a power bank. So I'm not going to try and pronounce this, as I'll absolutely butcher it, but this is the 45 watt power bank at 20,000 milliamp hours. It's got two USB-Cs and two USB-As as the outputs. Here's all the details in the back. I'll just pause that and you can read that at your own time. And let's crack on. So when we open the box, we've got this nice little cardboard caddy that's holding everything. We've got our instruction booklet, and then we have a USB-C to USB-C cable, and in here we have our power bank itself. Let's get out of this nice protective bag, and there we go. So it's a nice two-tone. We've got black here, silver here. We have a power button and all of our regulatory information here, and plain black on this side. The outputs we've got here are USB-A, USB-A, USB-C and USB-C. The USB-Cs are input and outputs for charging and discharging the battery. If I push on this button here, we get our battery percentage right here. So at the moment we are currently sitting on 67% is how it's been shipped. Inside a little booklet, it's got multiple different languages in here, but the main one that we need to worry about is here. This shows us how to actually use the device and how we can charge and discharge the battery, how to turn it on, and this tells us how to use slow charging for earbuds and smartwatches to make sure that we don't sit there and use too much power and waste it when we're meant to be trickle charging. And that's about it for this. Beautiful little power bank, really looking forward to using this. Got some lovely projects in line for this. The main reason why I went for this particular model is I'm really hoping it can run a Raspberry Pi 5 without having to worry about the low power warning. So hopefully this can provide enough wattage to make sure that that will actually run nicely and smoothly. Right, that's a lot for this one. Short and sweet. Hopefully this will be something useful for most of my projects, and you'll see this in some new videos coming soon.